Hi everyone, it's Sarah at Realm Library. Welcome to another Boredom Busters craft, which are just simple and easy crafts that you can do at home with hopefully common household items. Today we are making positivity rocks. And if you've never heard of them before, they're just rocks that are painted with really positive messages and colours, and they make you feel happy. So all we need for this craft is literally a rock. So if you can grab one of those from the garden, and it's better if they're nice and smooth on one surface, that works better. Now you will need to give the rock a wash as well and make sure it's dry. Then the other things you need are just some craft paint, any type of craft paint that you've got at home, a paintbrush, and just some Sharpies if you've got them. They work best to do the decoration. Okay, so once your rock is clean and dry, we're just going to give it a coat of paint just on one side. And you might find that you need to do a few layers. So you might have to make sure it's dry and then do a couple more layers to get a nice even coat all over your rock. Now I've got one that I painted earlier and it's nice and dry. There you go, and that's got 3 layers on it, that one. So now we just need to think of a really positive, happy message and do some decoration. So I thought I would write friends, which is a lovely thing to be thinking of. Your friends. I'm going to do a big love heart there. And I might do some decoration with some other colours. I might do some dots around the outside. So some swirls. But you can decorate and do whatever you'd like to do. And as always, we'd love to see your finished positivity rocks. Maybe you could leave them as a surprise for your parents or your brothers or sisters around the house or the garden, so that when they see them, it makes them happy. There you go. So there's my finished rock, and I hope you enjoyed that one, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.